Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMate Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a image inside the table on your Google Docs mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert an image inside the table in your Google Docs mobile, just going to show in this video. So for that, first of all, I just open a new document here. So I just going to add a table here first. So we just going to add a 3x3 table. I'm just going to switch the layout for viewing purpose. Okay, just going to change this. Okay, so now I just going to insert the image inside the first cell of this table. So it automatically adjusts. Just click inside the table first and click on this plus symbol again. Now click on the images and pick the image from your photo of your gallery. So now you can see the image automatically inserted inside the cell. If you just want to have a full screen of the image, you just adjust the total table and just want to resize the table like this. Just click on the whole table, resize the table first and adjust the cell size. So this will, you can insert the full image or half image inside the table by using this option on your Google Docs mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.